everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to share with you my favorite Christmas Chex Mix. This snack is perfect to enjoy at family gatherings, holiday parties, and at potlucks, and to wrap up and give away as a gift. Make sure you are subscribed to my recipe channel so you won't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 3½ cups of golden grams, 3½ cups of rice or corn Chex, 3/4 cup of coconut flakes, 1/2 cup of slivered almonds, 1/3 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of corn syrup, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Begin by adding the golden grams, Chex cereal, coconut flakes, and slivered almonds to a large bowl and stir gently. Next, add the butter, sugar, corn syrup, and vanilla to a medium-sized saucepan. Heat the mixture over medium heat on the stovetop until the sugar has dissolved and it begins to boil. Pour the liquid mixture over the cereal mixture. Then use a spoon to stir the mixture until all of the cereal is coated. Let it cool and enjoy. I hope you like this Christmas Chex Mix as much as I do. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.